Welcome to the orientation program Fall 24 website. First, you need to registration. For registration, you click the registration button or login or registration button. Then click sign up, enter username, your university student ID. Enter your phone number which you provide during your admission. Select your gender, select department, write a password. Password at least 8 characters. Re-enter your password. Accept the term and privacy policy. Click the registration button. Now, user verification. For user verification, write your phone number here again. Enter your verification code which send in your phone number and click submit. Congratulations, your registration is now complete. Now, you are ready to apply for the orientation program. Click apply button for orientation registration. So here is your orientation program registration form. You select your division, your district, select DAU residential or local residential. With your parents or anyone else come to the orientation, click yes or no as you need. Do you want to participate in the sports? If yes, select sports activities do you want to join, football and others. You can only select two. Do you want to perform? If yes, select the which cultural activities you want to perform. Here's the details. Select one and upload a 1-minute video on Google Drive and share the link here. Without demo, there is no scope to perform. If no, select no. Last, want to participate as a volunteer? If yes, click the yes and submit your form. Congratulations, your orientation program registration submitted successfully. So you can click the dashboard and see your status. Your orientation registration status is applied, and you can click the download to see your approved status. Thank you.